bit of noise in the crowd there.
Do you know what that sounded like? It sounded a bit strange. It's well, the last time I heard a noise like that, I think it was playing against Big Bill Werbenick many years ago.
Right. Settle down now, please. Thank you.
This is a really important part of the match because after potting that yellow, I mean, Ronnie's just having a look up to the commentary box and have a little smile, but this now, he's 28 points behind, and in some ways you deserve to win a frame after a pot like that.
Well, I'm not sure what's happened this time, but very rarely do you get that in the auditorium. Maybe there's someone maybe not just feeling too well at the moment, but Michaela's giving them the old evil eye there.
You don't very often get a round of applause for putting it back over the pocket, but I agree with him there. Just a lot of concentration was lost there, and now he's got to get it all back and make this chance a frame-winning chance to get back into the match.